from eBay, so I've sold a couple of bits. So yeah, well, we'll look at a couple of these and then we'll have a look at some of the chocolate, shall we? Nice looking cards. Got me, the first one's really nice, so let's have a look at that. I mean, that is nice, you know what I mean? That is. So yeah, that is nice. I like that. These are quite cool, you know. So yeah. Screw the duck, if I remember rightly. Don't know who he's meant to be. Let's have a look. Probably it's all in Japanese writing. I'm pretty certain it's Japanese. Now all the cards on the back are like this. So yeah. Looks like he's meant to be a Union officer from the looks of it. So yeah. Quite cool. Quite a lot of cards here for the 120 type bar it cost me. Not a lot at all, really. Okay, we got some same ones. Now these must be like what you call it? Prawns. So I've got 3 in a row, maybe more in a row in a minute. So I've got that one. Same again. Same again. So yeah. Got 2 of the same, so that's 3. And then we got Mickey again. So these might be like this, a runner for the same ones. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping for some different cards here. Oh yeah, another one of Donald. I do really like this card. It's really nice. Aha! Now we've got a couple of different ones now. Here we are. That is looking pretty cool. It is. So yeah, I quite like that. What we got now? All right, we got Donald Duck. Can't really tell you what he's meant to be. I can't at all. That's a bit strange. Any messages? No messages. So yeah. So we got another couple of him, as you can see. Then we got Minnie. About time we got Minnie on it. So that. And then we've got, I believe it's Hercules. I'm pretty certain it's Hercules. Maybe not. Maybe it's not. But it looks like Hercules to me. What do you think? Hercules? It's Disney. So maybe it's not Hercules. I'm just not really sure. Alright. Got a strange thing here. It's a circle. Alright. That's enough of that. We've got loads to do. Right. Now, we're going to open these up in a minute. Now, these. The reason why I bought these. Now, these are. I do believe when I asked Chat2P, these are Japanese. So if I remember right, I bought them in Daiso, not Daiso, Donkey. And I can't tell you how much it cost me because that's a long time ago. But I bought them because it reminded me of very much what we used to have back as a kid. And I do believe they still do them to this day. But yeah. So yeah. But that's a bit different. They do chocolate and strawberry on this one. Now, do you remember these? I mean,